All right, 2005 model Ford F-250, F-250 with the chrome wheels, chrome step bars. It is the Lariat edition, F-250 Lariat, which I'll show you in a second. Includes your factory leather interior. It's an FX4 package, which gives you bucket seats in the front row. It's not a bench seat, it is a full bucket. That's what the FX4 package does for you on this Lariat edition. It's a 2005, clean Carfax. Clean Carfax. We've got 21 service records, 21 service records on this vehicle, 21 service records. Someone has kept this vehicle up nice. You got to come drive it. It's a 05 with 182 on it. 05 with 182. Book value is right at $16,000 here at One Stop Auto Sales. You can take it home for $14,980. $14,980. One Stop Auto Sales, 2838 Gray Highway, Macon, Georgia, 31211. Jones County. We're located right across the street from the water tower, right here on the Gray Highway. Spray and Bedliner, FX4 off-road package, chrome Ford. These are factory Ford wheels. 21 service records, clean Carfax, white. It's got the tan leather interior. It's a Lariat package, wood grain. This vehicle will not last, I would think, through the weekend. Definitely will not be here in 7 to 8 days. This is a Power Stroke diesel. Power Stroke diesel. Power seat. 182 on the miles. A 05 with 182. Power seat. Chrome wheels. Leather interior. F-250 Lariat. Like I said, books around $16,000. You buy it today for $14,980 here at One Stop Auto Sales, 2838 Gray Highway, Macon, Georgia. We're across from the water tower here in Jones County. $14,980, One Stop Auto Sales. And folks, remember, don't be upside down in your next vehicle. Shop One Stop.